Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
As you may know, paneer is one of my favorite foods. I love it. If that was the only thing I could eat for the rest of my life, I would obviously eat it. Today we are going to be making an interesting recipe using paneer. This recipe is super delicious, easy to make, and a healthy after-school snack for kids. This recipe is filled with protein, minerals, vitamins, and calcium, and it pairs very well with our homemade garlicky chili tomato ketchup. Make sure to watch the suggested video that pops up so you can know how to make our homemade garlicky chili tomato ketchup. Okay, I'm getting super hungry. Let's get started. First, we are going to peel and rough chop our vegetables. The vegetables we are using: potatoes, carrots, green beans, and beets. Next, we need to get our main ingredient, paneer. We are going to grate the paneer. Wow, it's so satisfying to grate the paneer on a fine grater. It's a stress burster. Let's set a steamer. Add the vegetables and cover and steam for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove and allow it to cool a little bit. Mash the vegetables using a masher. Add a little bit of salt for taste. Finely chopped ginger, green chili for taste, homemade garam masala spice blend, cumin seeds, finely chopped cilantro, grated paneer, breadcrumbs. Mix well using a spoon or your hands. Now it's time to form the cutlets. For that, we have the vegetable paneer mix, breadcrumbs, and oil. Apply a little oil in hands and scoop a small amount and form a cutlet. Now, if you want to get a little creative, feel free to grab some cookie cutters and make different types of shapes. We are going to repeat the same process. All our cutlets are ready and it's time to fry them. Heat oil. Once oil is ready, drop cutlets and fry on medium heat until cutlets become crispy. Drain fried cutlets on a paper towel and serve hot with chili garlicky tomato ketchup. If you're looking for a more healthier option, you can try baking the cutlets.
Preheat your oven for 350 degrees and bake for 12 minutes.
Serve hot with chili garlicky tomato ketchup.
If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!